A controversial license plate, possibly for sale soon, slapped on it the Confederate flag. A federal judge rules the state legislature can't ban it, and here's why. Attorney Larry Walters in the Fox 35 studios right now to talk a little bit about all this. Hi, Larry. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Nice to be here.
All right. Nice to have you. So first of all, so we're all on the same page. The proposed plate depicts 5 Confederate flags and 2 coat buttons worn by Florida Confederate soldiers. So Judge John Antoon says that the state's specialty license plate law limits the speech of the Sons of the Confederate Veterans. That's the group pushing for this license plate. So in your opinion, Larry, is this judgment on point?
Judge Antoon's decision is correct. Judge Antoon is a First Amendment scholar and has written a number of other decisions in the First Amendment area, and this decision is right on point. Basically, the state wanted the ability to pick and choose which groups get to issue these license plates. And once the state opens up the ability to speak on an issue through license plates or any other means, they cannot pick and choose based on the viewpoint of the group that desires to speak. And here that's what was happening. The state didn't want to issue the license plates to the Confederate groups while allowing other politically oriented groups such as Choose Life plates and so forth. And that's not allowed under the First Amendment.
Okay, just to be super clear though, because I'm reading on some blogs tonight that although this is a win for some of these groups, there's still a lot of concern that this particular plate won't go through because the state legislature is not completely out of the equation. So how is the process going to work now after today's ruling?
Well, there's always the tension between the branches of government, and it's certainly possible that the legislature could try to step in and pass special legislation to block this decision from taking effect, and then you'd have a war between the courts and the legislature. But anything the state does that would restrict the ability of a group to speak and to issue these plates based on viewpoint would likewise be unconstitutional. So the legislature can pass laws all at once, and they'll continue to be struck down if they're just as bad from a First Amendment standpoint as this one.
As long as someone fights it.
That's correct. And there'll always be somebody out there who'll assert First Amendment rights.
All right. Thanks a lot, Larry, for your time. We appreciate it.